Hello teachers! Welcome to our Student Comment Generator tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how the tool works step by step. First, you'll start by clicking on Copy the template. This action will create an empty student list for you. You can then easily fill in the first and last names of your students from your Student Information System SIS. Once you've filled in the names, save the file and proceed to click on Choose File and Submit to upload it to the generator. After uploading, the generator will display a list of all the student names you've added. Now, it's time to personalize the comments. You can select various options based on your students' scenarios, including gender, personality, literacy, math, and social skills. Additionally, there's an extra comment section where you can input more customized information based on each student's unique traits or achievements. Once you've added all the necessary information for your students, simply click on Generate. In the comment box, you'll see ready to copy AI prompts tailored to each student. Click Copy, and head over to any AI tools, such as ChatGPT or Gemini, and paste the generated AI prompts. Voila! Your students' comments are now generated and ready to go.